Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post in Canva in the updated 2026 interface. It's super quick. So yeah, here's how to do it. First, search Facebook post or click Create a Design and choose the Facebook post size. When the canvas opens, pick a template or start from a blank canvas. Add your text using the Text tab. Move it around, resize it, and change fonts. Then add photos or graphics, either from Canva's library or by uploading your own. Feel free to customize colors, backgrounds, and layout so everything matches your style or brand. Use design tools like alignment, spacing, transparency, or curved text to make things look polished. Before downloading, zoom out or preview your post and make sure it's clean and readable. Then download it using PNG or JPEG, depending on the file size you want. And that's it. That's how to create a Facebook post in Canva for 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the